Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for legal services that protect your business. In any business transaction, whether you're negotiating a deal, sharing sensitive data, or collaborating with partners, protecting your confidential information is crucial. That's where a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, comes in. An NDA is a legally binding contract that safeguards your business secrets, intellectual property, and financial details from unauthorized disclosure. At Filings Corner, we specialize in crafting custom NDAs that provide legal protection and ensure your business interests are safe. Why choose Filings Corner for NDA drafting? So why should you choose Filings Corner to draft your NDA? We offer expert legal assistance, drafted by advocates, legal experts, and consultants who understand your business. We provide custom solutions for all types of businesses, from startups and IT firms to freelancers and large enterprises. Need it fast? Our quick turnaround time ensures you get your NDA professionally drafted in no time. Our pricing is affordable and transparent, with no hidden costs, just clear, competitive rates. And we ensure global legal compliance, covering both domestic and international collaborations. What is an NDA and why you need one? So, what exactly is a non-disclosure agreement, NDA? An NDA is a legal contract that prevents parties from disclosing sensitive information. It's designed to protect trade secrets, intellectual property, financial details, and business strategies from being shared without authorization. Whether you're entering a partnership, sharing new ideas, or negotiating a business deal, an NDA ensures that your confidential information stays protected, legally. Types of NDAs we draft. At Filings Corner, we draft several types of NDAs based on your needs. A unilateral NDA, where one party shares confidential information with another. A mutual NDA, where both parties exchange sensitive data and protect each other's information. And a multilateral NDA, for when 3 or more parties are involved in a business transaction and need protection. Documents required for NDA drafting. To start drafting your NDA, we'll need a few key details. Party details, including names, addresses, and designations of all involved parties. A clear description of the confidential information that needs protection. The purpose of the NDA. Why the information is being shared. The duration of confidentiality. How long the information will be protected. Additional clauses like non-compete and intellectual property ownership, if applicable. And finally, we'll define the governing laws and jurisdiction, specifying the legal framework for enforcement. Key clauses in an NDA explained clearly. Here are some key clauses we include in every NDA. Definition of confidential information, outlining what information is protected under the agreement. Obligations of the receiving party, specifying their responsibilities and restrictions regarding the shared information. Exclusions, defining any information that is exempt from confidentiality. Duration of agreement, ensuring confidentiality is maintained for a specified period. Breach consequences, detailing legal recourse if the agreement is violated. Return or destruction of data, ensuring all confidential information is returned or destroyed once the agreement ends. Dispute resolution and governing law, providing a clear path for resolving conflicts and specifying the legal jurisdiction. Our simple, expert-driven process. Here's how we work at Filings Corner. 1. Consultation. 2. Drafting. 3. Review and refinement. 4. Finalization and execution. 5. Post-signing support. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your custom non-disclosure agreement drafted by legal experts. Filings Corner. Safeguarding your secrets, protecting your business.